So, hello guys. Good morning everyone. So, for today's video guys, Inday going to somewhere. She want to buy and she like to buy hanger, no? Let's go. Hanger clip. She buy there in our neighbor. Sige, go. Let's go. We going to our neighbor to buy some hanger clip. Yes. See, there's our two dogs. Our two dogs. The name is Whitey and Puffy. So we going to our neighbor, and then because they're selling hanger clip, so we buy hanger clip for our panties and clothes. So sige, go. So you see there, go. Puro green yung kuhaon. See, you see. We buy here. Ayaw ha. Nangaan sila. Ayaw. Nitaw ba? Wa siguro siya din. Salud na siguro sila. Asa ba sila? Ha? Unsa? Asa ba sila? Nanlakaw guro. Nga balik kerta unya ni tam balik kerta. Ano tao? Taatan ta? Balik kita. So, no people here. Maybe to go somewhere. Ta? Go na. Asa man ta? Asa man ka? If you see here, you see, we buy some hanger, but no people here. So let's go. So now let's go home. Maybe later we come back here because there is no people here. So let's go. Because nobody there. So now, so we go home na. Labang. So we come back later because nobody there. So now go home, Inday. Wala itaw? Nobody there. So na naikwan ay pagulingon ay. Ibta niyo pagulingon no. Ito itanom do. Kanang duha? Kinira. Kani. Kana. Oh, kana. Oh, kana. Sige, dito sa punuan niya ibta. Tarong ibot. Duha ikamot. Bunite. Base herbal. Sige, ang isa. That's herbal. Oh, let's go. Ta. Pakita. Inday, take some. Butang, pakita ba? Inday, take some herbal. Let's go. So, let's go na. Muna pag mulingon.
Kanang murag bayabas? Murag kanang bayabas na? Kanon ba? Ay, gaga!
Ano ta?
Dili mo na.
Di mo na mao. Tala. Man. Sige na. There's the
sky.
sounds of bird. Sige na. Go na. So, now we go back to our home, our house, because nobody there. Maybe the people there is the salesman sells lady is nobody there. Maybe go somewhere. So let's go home. So now we get home. We are. So bye bye. Thank you for watching. Ali day. Dito day. Hoy. Hey. Dada sulod. Sige. Dada na. Dada na. So, Inday got home. Woo! Tired. So, let's planting this one. The herbal you bring. You planting this one. Let's go.